Hello, good morning. My name is Mohammad Hassan Yunus.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Atharuddin Bilal.
This is Sheikh Mustafa.
My name is Syed Noman Ali Sufyan.
So, moving forward, my name is Mohammad Hassan. Today we are going to present a group project. So let's start. Welcome to the presentation where our team analyzed and compared the cooperative culture of Google and IBM. These both are renowned globally technology enterprises. Google and IBM are widely recognized brand names in the global technology industry. This study illustrates the similarities and differences in organization cultures. Moving on to the next slide. Thank you, Professor, for providing me this opportunity and moving to the introduction. So, what is formal communication and what is informal communication? So when individuals, for moving on with the formal communication means when individuals in an organization exchange official information, it is classified as formal communication, such as giving instructions to the lower level employees through email, letters, memos, and reports. And on other hand, what is informal communication? Informal communication comprises casual conversation within an organization, such as talking with a team member over a meal or a coffee, or discussing work using text messaging. And moving on to the next slide, companies under studies. Google. Google is a global technology conglomerate famous for its search engine technology, cloud computing, and its computer software products. It has also revolutionized the way we consume media through YouTube. The company has made significant strides in the technological industry, including cloud computing, online advertising, and artificial intelligence. And on moving on to the IBM, other company, IBM has a strong corporate culture and has long supported formal means of communication, organization, professionalism, and adhering to the established protocols and highly valued by the organization. Maintaining an official and professional image is important, and hierarchical channels are often used for communication. And for the next slide, Muhammad Atharuddin Bilal will be explaining. So moving to the Atharuddin Bilal, please go forward. I think you are speaking on mute.
Yeah, thank you so much, Hassan. I'd like to thank our instructor to giving us this opportunity to discuss and research about the formal workplace cultures. So I just wanted to brief what formal and informal workplace and why IBM is formal and Google is informal. So moving ahead, IBM is known for its formal workplace culture. There is an emphasis uh, on professionalism and adherence to established processes. Like communication channels often follow a formal structure and interactions may be more traditional and structured. So the overall atmosphere is characterized by a sense of formality and cooperation tradition. And talking about the Google fosters an informal workplace culture where the company values open communication and a relaxed atmosphere. Communication styles are often more casual and collaborative. Employees may experience a workplace that encourages innovation and creativity in a less formal setting. So now I'll be talking about the staff, how the staff is organized into this slide 6, where IBM traditionally follows a hierarchical organizational structure. There are clear lines of authority and a well-defined chain of command. Departments and teams are often organized in a more traditional and structural manner. Decision making may involve multiple layers of approval, like aligning with a more top-down approach. And talking about Google often adopts a flatter organization structure. The company promotes a more collaborative and decentralized approach to decision making. Teams may have more autonomy and there may be fewer layers of management, but the structures aim to facilitate quicker communication and innovation by minimizing hierarchical barriers. So this is it from me. So uh, I would like Mustafa to take over from here. Thank you so much.
Yeah, this is Sheikh Mustafa. I'm gonna continue this slide. Evidence of status power differentials. IBM International Business Machine Corporation status power differentials are often evident in more formal hierarchical structure. Decision-making authority is typically concentrated at higher levels of the organization. Employees may have distinct roles and responsibility based on their position in the hierarchy. The organization culture may reflect a traditional corporate structure with clear distinction between leadership and other roles. Google, Alphabet, status, and power differentials are often less evident in a flatter organizational structure. Decision making authority may be distributed across various levels, promoting a more egalitarian environment. The company values input from employees at different level, fostering a culture of collaborating. The organizational culture may reflect a more inclusive approach, minimizing visible status differences. Important organizational values. IBM International Business Machine Corporation values traditional professionalism, diversity, inclusion, innovation, and change, emphasizes adherence to established process and corporate traditions, values stability, reliability, and a methodological approach to business, incorporate a commitment of diversity and inclusion, encouraging employees to be themselves, places a high value of innovation and change, fostering a culture that embraces new ideas and approach. And Google values innovation and collaboration, puts a higher emphasis on innovation, creativity, and thinking outside the box, fosters a culture that encourages uh, explore new ideas, values collaboration and teamwork, often promoting a more dynamic and flexible work environment. Physical environment for teamwork. IBM International Business Machines Corporation, IBM physically environment may include more formal and traditional office spaces. Workspace are often designed to reflect a structure and professional atmosphere. While collaboration is encouraged, the layout may be more organized, may include designated areas for meeting and teamwork. Google typically provides informal and collaborative spaces in its physical environment. Workspaces are designed to foster creativity, innovation, and collaboration. Open office layout, casual meeting spaces, and communal areas are common, encourages uh, spontaneous interactions and teamwork. The physical environment is structured to support the dynamic and collaboration of the things. Now I'm passing the slide to the next member of our group.
Coming to the conclusion. IBM and Google exhibits distinct organizational culture. IBM is characterized by a formal workplace culture, adhering to established processes and maintaining professionalism. The company follows a hierarchical organizational structure where status and power differentials are evident. The next point is the physical environment at IBM tends to be moral formal, reflecting structure workplace. In contrast, Google foster an informal and collaborative culture, promoting open communication and a relaxed atmosphere with a flatter organizational structure. Google minimizes status differential and encourages collaboration. The company place a high value of innovation, creativity, and teamwork, creating a physical environment with informal and collaborative space. The difference between IBM and Google lies in their formality, organizational structure, approach to status, core values, and the design of their physical workplace. Now, moving to The next question, which type of organization are you interested to work in? So based upon our team deep analysis and comparison between the corporate culture of IBM and Google, considering the working a preference and career goals, we'll thrive in a more formal and structured environment where processes are well defined. So so IBM would be a better fit. Why? Because it's a formal workplace culture that often emphasizes professionalism, which can be important in industries where extreme adherence to standards, regulations, and procedures is critical. This can enhance the credibility of the organization, and formal cultures typically have well-defined processes and procedures, providing employees with clear guidelines for their roles and responsibilities. Now, moving to the references, these are the references, and I would like to thank Professor Ashley for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.